freshen the clouds, I think.
Oh, lightning bolt! It's called a cumulus cloud or whatever the fuck you call it.
I call it a puffy cloud. I call it a puff
For tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are expected this
Where's this from? Where's this?
Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hillsboro, or 18 miles southwest of Madison, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Sauk County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
No. Go on. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Fenimore to Platteville to near Menominee, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Okay, we got some hail with
Source,
this.
radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Wheeler, Linden, New Diggings, South Lane, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Cobb, Fayette, Lamont, Rui, Hallandale, and Gratiot. Other landmarks included are the following location: Iowa Grant School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay.
This is the No Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles southeast of Richland Center to near Spring Green to near Dodgeville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Dodgeville, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Spring Green, West Baraboo, Barneveld, Arena, Plain, Bluffview, North Freedom, Ridgeway, Avoca, Cobb, Merrimack, Rock Springs, Clyde, Loganville, and Governor Dodge St. Park. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Hyde's Mill and the House on the Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Severe Thunderstorm Warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. for southern Iowa County. At 8:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dodgeville to 6 miles north of Darlington to near Shellsburg, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Hallandale, London, Jonesdale, and Edmond. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, is it a plane?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Okay.
This is the No Weather Radio, WXJ 87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee.
These were like the storms are coming from. Some lightning just came out of that. I think it's coming out. Severe thunderstorm warning for my area. I think it's for my area.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin
My area,
until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Prairie du Sac to 7 miles southeast of Spring Green to 10 miles west of Mount Horeb, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Mount Horeb, Sauk City, Cross Plains, Mazo, Maine, Shorewood Hills, Black Earth, Dane, Blue Mounds, Pine Bluff, and Marksville. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Possible tornado.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
severe thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm.
It's coming from the west. Got a shelf cloud right over, maybe not a shelf, but more of a wall cloud right over there with some lightning. Severe thunderstorm warning in my area. This could be something big.
Oh, so you can go back. We can go back in the house the other to the deck. All that stuff was up here now. So. But I'm sure, yeah, whatever that mess gets here, that's probably what the wind.
That's a little concerning. That's great. All right, I got some good view of this. Nice. Just hope that hits us. Just got a big buzz. Oh, got some lightning over there too. Yeah, that looks good. It looks amazing. Holy. Oh, yep, that's got a shelf cloud.
That can be able to for a while.
Do you see like kind of like the wall? Look at the camera. You can see it better on the camera.
Oh, why can you see it better in the camera?
I don't know.
It's picking up.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, it's the contrast of the light. I see what.
Oh my god, dude, look at that.
That's cool how your camera can pick up the contrast. Good for him. He needs to get this out of his system. Good boy.
Holy.
Hey.
Yes.
Those dark spots there. Here. It's coming. It's almost here. That dark stuff right there and there.
Yeah, I can see that. That's pretty nice. Look at how fast those clouds are moving. Concerning clouds.
It's like I can jump up and touch it.
In nice clouds.
Moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour. Impact because of damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's coming in now.
Locations impacted include Bamboo, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin, Spring Green, West Bamboo, Barneville, Arena.
Oh, carpet's going up. That's not good. That's good. Okay, camera jigging's coming in. Let's go.
Wisconsin, thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Prairie du Sac to 7 miles southeast of Spring Green to 10 miles west of Mount Hood. Moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location.
Yeah, you can leave your radio in the middle.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Probably won't get wet.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for northeastern Iowa and eastern Sauk counties. At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
What are you
from
doing?
9 miles southwest of West Baraboo to 9 miles northeast of Spring Green to 7 miles southwest of Mazo, Maine. Moving northeast
Mazo,
at 35
Maine.
miles an hour.
I'm a robot.
They always say names wrong.
Mazo, Maine. Dumb robot.
Along a line extending from near West Baraboo to near Black Earth. Movement was northeast at 35 miles an hour. 40 miles an hour.
That looks really ominous right there. Almost as it's kind of maybe trying to produce a tornado. Shit, no, shit, fuck, shit, fuckity, fuck.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for northeastern Iowa and eastern
fuck?
Sauk counties.
Okay,
At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a
is that hail? Here it comes.
expect damage to roofs, siding, locations impacted include Baraboo,
I think we're getting hail. Yep. Oh, we have hail. I think. I think we've had hail in a little somewhere. This is hail. Locations impacted include western Madison, Pittsburgh, Madison, Mount Hood, Sauk City, Cross Plains, Mazo, Maine, Shorewood Hills, White Earth, 3 miles, Pine Bluff, and Musco. The main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. You can spawn a tornado gale at one street to the basement to a small central room and a strict structure. Toilets for touching roofs or insert a room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for northeastern Iowa and eastern Sauk counties. At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of West Baraboo to 9 miles northeast of Spring Green to 7 miles southwest of Mazo, Maine, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Spring Green, West Malibu, Barneville, Arena, Pine, Westview, North Beacon, Ridgeway, Merrimack, Rock Springs, Loganville, Blue Mountain State Park, and Devil's Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Strong thunderstorms will impact southwestern Columbia County. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Wanakee, Mount Horeb, Sauk City, Cross Plains, Mazo. In southeastern Wisconsin. For tonight, thunderstorms will continue to diminish as they track into eastern Wisconsin overnight. Localized flooding remains possible where multiple storms move over the same locations. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Thursday. Additional thunderstorms Sunday and Monday. The seas will be around 100 degrees on Sunday. Radar indicated. In fact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured